Okay, student. Now I come with question number 7. 2 square root of cot of x square. Answer d by dx of 2 square root of cot of x square. So first in this case I have to use with the property d by dx of c fx. That means constant into function. What I have in the next line is constant will come up. I have to differentiate only the function f of x. So same in this case, 2 is a constant, 2 will come up. I have to differentiate only square root of cot of x square. So in the next line, square root will become 1 by 2. Then I have to differentiate this one using the formula d by dx of x power n. Because I have power here, that means whenever power is there, I have to use formula x power n. What is my n in this case is 1 by 2. What is my x in this case is cot of x square. So in the formula we have n, then x power n minus 1. First n, our n in this case is 1 by 2. And then x, what is our x in this case is cot of x square. Power is n minus 1. That means 1 by 2 minus 1. Then d by dx remain the same. I have to differentiate x. Our x in this case is cot of x square. So in the next line, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. I'll have cot of x square. 1 by 2 minus 1 will give you minus 1 by 2 by taking LCM. 1 by 2 minus 1, LCM is 2. Then you will have here 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, which I have written here. Then I have to differentiate d by dx of cot of x square. So compare it with the formula of cot of x. D by dx of cot of x, we have minus cosec square x dx by dx. So in place of x, what will come in this case is, in place of x, x square will come. So I'll have here minus cosec square x. In place of x, x square will come. Then d by dx remain the same. In place of x again, x square will come. On the next line, I'll make the power positive. That means I'll have power 1 by 2. That means I have to write cot of x square on the denominator. And then minus cosec square x square remain the same. I have to differentiate only x square. That means x power n formula. N will be 2 here. Replace n 2. That means I'll have 2. And then replace x as x itself. That means it will remain the same, x only. Then n minus 1, we will have 2 minus 1. D by dx remain the same. In place of x, we have x only. That means dx and dx will get cancel. And then in the next line, 1 by 2, I write it as square root only. Minus, I bring it in front. Cosec square x square remain the same. X power 2 minus 1 will have 1 only. That means it will remain x only. Then in the next line, then 1 divided by cot is cos by sine. So I'll have square root of cos divided by square root of sine. Then cosec reciprocal formula is 1 by sine. That means I'll have 1 by sine square x square, and then 2x remain the same. And then in the next line, I will arrange this one. Sine will go to the top, cos will go down, minus remain the same, and then 1 divided by, here I have sine square. Sine square means I have 2 sine. I separate the sine, that means I'll have sine x square and then sine x square, and then 2x remain the same. And then in the next line, 1 sine from here, I will separate it again. 1 sine can be written as square root of sine into square root of sine, because we know that square root of x into square root of x will give us x. That means square root of sine into square root of sine will give us sine. And then in the next line, what we can do is that 1 square root of sine from the denominator will cancel with 1 square root of sine on the numerator will get cancel. So what I have on the next line, so I cancel square root of sine and then square root of sine. So what I'll have on the numerator is only 2x, and then on the denominator I take square root common. That means what will come inside square root? Cos of x square and sine of x square. And then sine of x square remain the same. And in the next line, I introduce square root of 2 both on the numerator and the denominator. And then in the next line, I'll arrange it 2 square root of 2 x on the numerator. On the denominator, I have 2 square root. I take square root common. So what I'll have inside the square root? 2, and then cos of x square, sine of x square. I write first with sine of x square, cos of x square, and then this one remain the same. So in the next line, 2 root 2x remain the same. 2 sine x square cos of x square, I have to calculate using the formula. Sine of 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos of theta. When you compare with this one, what is your theta? Your theta is x square. And then theta again, x square. So by using this formula, this 2 sine theta cos theta can be replaced by sine 2 theta, which I have written in the next line, sine of 2 theta. What is our theta in this case again? Theta is x square. That means in place of sine 2 theta, I'll have sine of 2 x square. And then sine of x square remain the same. Up to that much will be the answer.